What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video.
4 minutes.
Today, I'm about to see my dream car at Tesla. My nigga Ashton. Look, there go Brian.
Look, there go Brian.
There go my brother Corey. Cindy.
Cindy.
Say hello.
Shoot up Brian's car.
All right, somebody shoot up Brian. This nigga here. Wow.
God damn. Open the window to shatter.
Damn, Corey.
Where the fuck is Jay at? Jay is not replying.
But I'll catch back with you. Holy shit! Look at the Cybertruck!
It's like a video game in real life.
Dude, this is the car that I really want, you guys. Man, I wish I could get inside. I wanna get in. This shit is crazy. Dude, I need this. I want this shit. Oh my god. What you think of it, Ashley?
It looks so different in person.
Bro,
It's so big.
what you think of it, Brian?
It's alright. Dude, that looks crazy.
Dude, this is crazy. Can I get in? I wanna get in. I wanna get inside.
Go under, big dog.
Corey, what you think of it, big dog?
Can you get inside that?
He's like, can you get inside of it? I don't even think so.
Look how sharp like the corners of it are.
For real.
Oh, you can poke your eye out.
You can poke your eye out. I'm trying to make my brother Ashton and Cindy to distract all these people. But it's not working. Corey, distract these people, big dog.
I want a chili up in there. No.
Man, this sucks. I can't even get close to the Cybertruck. This what you want, Corey?
Yeah.
Corey want this not the Cybertruck, but he want this Tesla.
Man, bro.
Wait, what model is this?
Y performance?
So it's a Model Y?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Damn, this shit is nice.
The next day.
All right, you guys, so it's the next day. Right now I'm with my boy Ashton, my boy Corey. Jay just pulled up.
It's Wednesday on Wednesday.
Wait, I can do it better. For the video.
Yo, we about to have a chill day. We about to skate at Cerritos skate park, so I'll just catch back with you. All right, my brother almost landed the front shove it. Let's see if he got it.
From across the park talking about, I did it.
I did do it.
Oh, you got it right here. Oh, shit.
That's the back. All right, let's try again.
Concentrate, big dog. Concentrate.
Concentrate.
You got it.
This ain't orange juice.
This ain't orange juice.
This one right here.
Oh,
Damn.
that was close. That was close. That was close enough.
For real. Oh.
He's this close.
Oh.
Wait.
He's getting close enough. He's
He's getting
enough.
closer. He's getting closer.
Yeah. I'm out there with Sean Moto.
I ignore. His back foot keep doing the
I
same thing.
know. He just gotta land fully.
I'm going to. I'm going to
All right, Corey. Good shit, big dog. Yeah, Jay. Sheesh. Yeah. Sheesh.
Stiff.
That was actually really good. Yep. Yaparino. Jeez. Coming back around. Jeez.
Tomorrow.
Big, bro. Big as hell. How you doing, big dog?
I'm doing all right.
Don't sound like it.
Yeah, Jay. That's crazy. All right, you guys. So we at Paramount Park, and my boy
You almost
Ashton.
missed it too.
My boy Ashton. He was battling up a kickflip front board. How you feel?
I
big
got
dog?
3 tricks.
Oh, you got-
Backflip, big spin front board, kickflip front board.
That's what I'm talking about. And he landed. Get out the way. Sit down. What up, Jay? How you doing, big dog? Chilling.
No, I'm just doing Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
Shit, Vlogmas.
I forgot about Vlogmas.
Yeah, I forgot about Vlogmas too. Fuck.
Vlogmas. Yeah, Jay. Whoa! Right here, big dog. Sheesh. Sheesh. Hell yeah, Julian.
Thanks, bro.
Yep.
I might do one more.
Okay. Make it count, big dog. Make it count.
Oh, you're going for the full capsule.
Jeez.
Henry! Who gave you that? You got a time limit, Zoe.
That was actually really good. Sheesh. Good shit, big dog.
Thanks, bro.
All right, you guys, I'm about to end this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Man, I'm so excited that the Cybertrucks are here, and I can't wait until they be out in the streets. But anyway, you guys, if you like this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.